Okay, so I'm going to be making this video on the go. Whenever I Google Linux Mint things, there's never that many resources, so I thought, why not do this to, you know, why not do this live? So I'm going to try and install R because, you know, I'm doing computational math and stats, which needs me to use R. So I'm on Linux Mint, which means of version is this by now. I am on let's get this here, Linux Mint 21. They no longer give the names of these. Yeah, so let's go. So first thing is, of course, you open your terminal. If you don't know how to do that, just press Ctrl Alt T. That will open your terminal, and then paste this command: rstudio apt-get blah 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 blah. This one, you can Google this, just click install, paste that command and run it. Let me see if it will install a bunch of things. It will ask you, do you want to blah blah blah? You click yes, yada 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 yada. Very easy. If you're on Linux, you know how to do this. If you don't, just paste this command here and press enter. That's easy. So I think the next part is to get our, this is the base, like this is the like how there's Python but then there's an IDE or something like that. So this is the R, the language, the base. Now you need the studio, the IDE. So I think okay, so I am on Linux Mint, which of course uses Debian. So it's as simple as downloading a DB file. Why are they two? Okay, let's take the latest Debian, whatever. Download that. Okay. Where'd that go? Okay. Installing. Oh yeah, I have so many browsers open. That's why my PC is being funny. Yeah, so this will install 10 packages. Just click install, thy password, and yeah, and now we wait. Continue. Let me pause this. Oh shit, wait, this thing I thought I paused this.